Terminal, also known as SB, is the main electricity provider in Sabah. It is responsible for supplying electricity to home, business and industry across the state. Electricity is very important because it supports daily life, economic activity and development of Sabah. However, Sabah faces challenges in providing electricity due to its large rural and remote area, which make it difficult to maintain a stable power supply. To improve this, SESB continue to upgrade its infrastructure and explore renewable energy sources such as solar and hydropower. And SESB operates through three main stages. The first one is generation, second one is transmission, and the last one is distribution. The first one is generation, where electricity is produced using sources like gas, diesel, hydro and solar energy. And the second one is transmission, where electricity is carried from power plants to substation using high voltage lines. The last one is distribution, where electricity is delivered to consumers such as home, school and business. In conclusion, SESB plays an important role in ensuring a reliable electricity supply that supports the development of Sabah.
Sabah is growing. From industries to tourism to digital connectivity, renewable energy. Reliable electricity is essential to power Sabah. Behind every home, business, hospital, and industry is a stronger transmission network, connecting Sabah together.
So, guys, today we will discuss about the POLC of Sabah electricity. So, I will start with the planning first. So, planning is the process of setting goals and deciding the best strategies to achieve them. So at Sabah Electricity, the planning ensures a reliable and sustainable electricity supply for the people of Sabah. These include increasing electricity generation capacity, upgrading power lines, and substations. They also invested in renewable energy such as solar power and improving customer services through regular maintenance and digital systems. So these plans help reduce power outage, meet growing electricity demand, and support the Sabah's long-term energy development.
Next is organizing. Organizing is the process of arranging people, resources, and responsibility to achieve organization goals effectively. In SSB, work is divided among several departments, including operation, engineering, human resources, finance, customer service, and corporate communication. Each department has its own responsibility to ensure electricity is generated, transmitted, distributed, and customer service are delivered efficiently. Through effective organizing, SSB can improve coordination, communication, and teamwork among employees. This helps the company operate smoothly and provide a reliable electricity supply to the people of Sabah and Labuan.
In POLC, we also have leading. Leading is the process of motivating, guiding, and also supervising employees so they can work together effectively to achieve the organizational objective. Managers at SE provide directions to employees by communicating organizational goals, ensuring workplace safety, and also encouraging teamwork. Since the electricity industry involves high-risk operations, leaders emphasize safety procedures, technical training, and also continuous employee development. Effective leadership also helps employees respond quickly during emergency such as power outage or equipment failures.
Controlling is the process of checking work performance, comparing the actual result with the planned goals, and taking action to fix any problems. Sabah Electricity always monitors its electricity generation and distribution system. The company checks important areas such as power supply reliability, power outage frequency, customer certification, and financial performance and safety. Manager review reports and carry out inspections to make sure everything meets the required standard. If there are any problems, they take corrective action to improve efficiency and service quality in Sabah Electricity.
Attention team, this is not a drill. We have just lost a major power plant, and our reserve margin is at 0. The entire Sabah grid is about to collapse. As the executive management team of Sabah Electricity, the lights are out and the clocks are ticking. We need to make a decision right now.
Oh no! We need to turn off the power to this repair and industrial area right now, or else the whole state will lose power.
You can do that. The factory will lose of million maintenance and the towers will be complete. Our reputation will be ruined.
And turning on our emergency backup generator is costing us every ringgit measure. We are bleeding money.
So next, I will explain the fact of the issue. The failure of two major power plants causes a shortage of electricity supply, forcing SE to implement temporary power cuts. This affects customers by disrupting daily activities and essential service. Businesses may also experience financial loss due to interrupt operation. For Sabah Electricity, the company faces higher operating costs, increased customer complaints, and damage to its reputation and public trust. Therefore, it is important to SE to respond quickly and manage the situation effectively to minimize the impact on customer, businesses, and the overall electricity supply.
Okay, so to solve this crisis, Sabah Electricity should implement scheduled load shedding to prevent a total grid collapse while ensuring that critical facilities continue to receive electricity. At the same time, technical teams should repair the damaged power plants as quickly as possible to restore the power supply and minimize disruptions.
In conclusion, the blackout scenario showed the importance of the fault management function in Sabah Electricity. Planning helped the company prepare emergency response plan before the crisis happens. Organizing ensure the employees, equipment, and resources are arranged properly to handle the blackout. Leading allows manager to guide employees, make a quick discussion, and communicate clearly with the public during the crisis. Controlling helped the company monitor the situation, evaluate performance, and take corrective action to restore electricity safely and efficiently. By applying this fault management function, Sabah Electricity can reduce the impact of power outage, improve the service, and maintain public trust.
For decades, Sabah's electricity system operated as two separate grids. To strengthen statewide reliability, Sabah began developing a 275 kilovolts transmission backbone across the state, from the east-west interconnection in 2007. PMU Calopus to Sagaliud in 2007. To Kamanis Calopus in 2016. Kaimanis Mangalon in 2021. And Sagaliud to Dam Road in 2025. Each project strengthened Sabah's journey towards a more connected and resilient grid system. As electricity demand continues to grow, Sabah continues investing in grid reinforcement and system resilience. In 2025, Sabah achieved another historic milestone through the Sabah-Sarawak interconnection, connecting Sabah to the wider Borneo grid, vision, and future ASEAN power grid network. This is more than a transmission line. It is a commitment to strengthen Sabah's energy security. A stronger grid. Powering homes, supporting businesses, driving industries, connecting communities. Sabah continues, moving towards a more resilient, sustainable, and connected energy future.